For our signature guest, Honorable Chief Minister Manipur, Sri N. Viren Singh of Masjid Aljek Yobirakle. Manipur Fire Service Department, Government of Manipur, Sinjadana, Pantuk Jagadanuga, launching of foam and CO2 gas trailer and water bozada. Honorable Chief Minister Uttama Pakchari. Lembiradiba Kwai Kipo Muka Nakunjari. Nasigi Pantuk Jagadariba, Taram of Chaboina. Welcome address Bibinaba Nolcheri, Director Manipur Fire Service.
A very good morning to all present on the launching of the foam CO2 crash tenters and water hoses and proximity suits. At the outset, I'd like to thank and pay my humble respect and my deepest gratitude to Sri N. Viren Singh Ji, Honorable Chief Minister Manipur, capability of Manipur Fire Service to serve the people of Manipur. Further, I'd like to thank the Honorable MP, Sri December Sanajawa, our Honorable Minister L. Susindro Singh, Honorable H. Tingo Singh, and our Honorable MLA, Honorable Minister Sabam Ranjan, our Honorable MLA Ropendro, our Honorable Rameshwar Singh. I'd like to thank my DG, P. Tongel, Manipur, DGP Manipur Police, our ADGP Sri Clay Khongsai, and my officers and men who are present here, and media friends who have come to grace these occasions on these humble occasions. I'd like to just give a brief note on this. it is the launching cum demonstrations of the equipments. Water Bowser Haina, we are launching for the first time in Manipur. This is 12,000 liters of 12,000 KL capacity with the 12,000 KL, 3,000 liters per minute to pump up water at 1 minute. We can pump out 300 liters per minute. So this is the first time we are having in Manipur. In Manipur, we don't have that hydrant system where water source later. But this has become very essential to control the fire service, to control fires. Like the last incident that happened at CIT. We had a lot of difficulties. So with this, hopefully in the future, city area, if there is any incidence of fire, hopefully with these two water houses, we will be in a position to control this. In fact, last time when the audit came, we had no explanation to give because we did not have the adequate facility to deal with these things. So in fact, sir, inflammable substance labor, oil depot, malungi oil depot gumba, bottling plant at Segmai. This is an oil tanker gumba extend propaganda. This is the only equipments which can deal with these situations. In fact, we have not had these facilities. So now we are at par with any part of the fire service of any part of the country. So with these two equipments, I'm sure that we can deliver the service because normal clothes cannot go inside. So in order to give them confidence as well as to ensure that they are safe. So others, we have a lot of uniforms and other things we have purchased. But with this launching, sir, I'm sure that our fire service department will improve to a great extent. It will enhance our capability and help meet any eventualities in the future. So with this word, sir, I'd like to thank all the media friends also for gracing these occasions. And in the near future, I'm sure that we'll improve much better and will perform to the best of our abilities. With this word, sir, I'd like to thank all the honorable our Chief Minister, our honorable ministers, MLAs, officers, and each and every one of you present here. Thank you one and all. Thank you, sir.
Honorable Minister Singh, DGP, Senior Officer Ma'am Punamak, Fire Service Ki Director, Media Friends. Kainoni, ngasi aikoi hujik nong hangrani nusit laani ngasi mai gi kari gi global warming gamari lenana pithribi mafam kaya da khangau mai ho langpo ki thoi ba thoro mayam adigi koi manipur da su mafam da khangau na thokpo mayam sigi precautionary measures, preventive measures. Hanadegi gari si Hana koi gari humfumari gumba all over the state. Macha sobayauna fire service ke koi se nargalai adu maduna huziki laiba koi ki director fire service na hai giba adu maina modern technology ishing game ta laina dreda Sing the wall electric natural they sing kange pukhi loina a quick siamna alarming situation. State government is trying very hard, but very hard to convince the masses. Ishingi importance, Durian importance, even Lambi. Sigi laiba tata mayam kai thodu na koi ifan manung da mai ho lang po ma tholo kal sigi tata mayam sigi changphang krai le ifan manung or sing loina lambi si pisak pik na tawr kan da yum sin in khol si karam mi ho bu type da khopsan na le ni na yum ma sala pa yum tarak tumnu sak ne ba amma sala pa kun tumnu sak tu li maram di gari thokjin ngai chang ngai le Pukri like never later. Kongwa the sing tungbre, Doriel the sing labor later. Lambi Pakana Shigi Gari Sisang by Abra Sangre, Karino Equinato would have said. These are the few questions I public tongue was said. गभर्नमेन्ट लोइना ताइनबो यारोय लेरक लेरक तो खोइना थुगाइरोबो पाखथुबो यारोय भलन्टरी ओइना थोकिरकपो ताब लेखाई लेखाई की मयाम थोला काने खोइजे टाटा अमा संगबो यानबा फायर सर्विस से सिगी जे मैहो लांकोक से जि ग्लोबल वार्मिंग सिग करी खोइ भाप अमा ताद्रे ने खोइसे टाटा गाड़ी अचौबो से संगबो याबो से सिंगदो ओइगेरा तमदो ओइगेरा मरुइन इम्फाल मनुंगी अदुगा सिंगी डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर सिंग लंबा खोपता खोपचन नबी स्टॉपियोबो सी अखोइना लैरुरिबा मेसिन मयाम सी मयाम की लाइफ करननबा प्रॉपर्टी करननबा नेबा अदु सी संगबो यादरदि कमाय तौनी असीमा आई ngasiगी खुदोंग साबसि ngasiगी सिगी अनुभव गाड़ी तरागा माथोय विथ मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी लापगी लॉन्च तौबसिदाई मणिपुर मियाम दापिल तौनिंगे एखोई खरगरा सेंस इन्वॉल्वमेंट मा करी दौरगे हामदा आई करी दौरगे ना हंगनबा मतम यो टीवी डिस्कशन की ममांग फम कांदा सरकार चाहिए ड्रग फाब चलीबसे चाहिए फादना लई करी दौरिनो हंगबई मोदब थोगा इसा इसोनी को मांगकदौरिसे कनाइदगी थोलइनो प्रमाय तौबनुना थिंगसे देना थोलप इन्वॉल्व तौब मतम योरे मान तौरिसे न खुदो मिथिलगा क्रिटिसाइज तौब नत्रग येंबगी मतम नत्रजे व्हाट आई हैव कंट्रीब्यूटेड फॉर द स्टेट हंगनबा मतम योरे जी मरमदी वेरी अलार्मिंग सिचुएशन ने इन हाइवे इशू पर से एग्जांपल लेते हैं कि हुजी सगोमन की एरिया में द मैसा है से कैसांथों की एरिया में लेरिबो लेरक तो सी गाड़ी अचो इसिंग सी मफम तो पुखरी सु फंगोय पुखरी सु लेते खोंबान सु लेते नंबुल सु इसिंग लेते कराय जगी इसिंग न नोबो युम कंदोरि से सी गाड़ी से कमाई संग दगेबो अदुना ngasi aina thawoina sireda puthoga media silnausing kaurga aina ngasi launch tawise manipur ki praja miyam dai khubak changjo tara lonergai government ki site ki request tawjari lekai ki club sing maina paibi sing और यामना सोशल वर्कर सिंग mayam do thopiraga lambi sing se imphal manung da leiriba adu singi district headquarters ng leiri pa lambi sing se please at least tata se sangaga thoning ga ba thok thol ko matam da mai ho lang ko thol ko matam da kan ma ya na ba sigi lambi sim da pibiyo aduga lekai khuding da pukri tawruga thambiyo ising preserve tawbiyo ai khoi na uji उहा गया तमदना अदगी ड्रिलिंग तौरकांदा पाइप तगी इसिंग सिंखोगनब खोकनब लौद पिननब कन्न होनरी तौरी अदुबु मैहो लांपोक लाप मतमदगी तुरेनदगी सिंग दरकार ले पुखरीदगी सिंग दरकार ले इम्फाल तुरेन लोइरे कांगपोकपीदंग बसपियो कांगपोकपीदगी न सेनापति कांगपोकपीदगी न लाइब सिदैद सेंगाइ बागो लेहरिद तुरेन मनुंगदो तुरेन मनुंग तुरेन लेते है तुरेन चेंफम लेते युम नापता तुरेन मनुंग दुदा युम दुदे दे तुरेन की उसी की हाइट इसे तुम टॉयलेट सु साजले अम जो साजले मधुदे लेरो मयाम ने कोई शायद 11 था इसे कोई दिस आर द सिचुएशन ग्राउंड रियलिटी दे कोई थैर इसा की इंडिविजुअल खरद सलग लेरे ग्राउंड रियलिटीज नैना पोकते ने नैना पोकते कोई कांगपोकपीदगी ना उसिंग लेहरिबा आंखै यंबियो मैम मेडिया सिंसु प्लीज डू विजिट मेडिया की सिनाव जों सपियो यंबियो तुरेल मनु द मिगी 30 मीटर्स तुरेन की कोर्स दगी 30 फीट नाका थंगदबनि गाइदो दुबो लेबजानते पूरा हेक्टर महोंग अमदने बतावसे अदुना एखोई थौदोकसे थोक्त्रिमेगी दि एखोई फै थोक मतमदा सरकार की दौरी हंगकनी मैं लेरबतुदा गाड़ी थौजन बयादि सरकार की दौरी हंगा सु पाइ लेबा गाड़ी थौजन बचंगा काना मदैद पुखरी दु इसिंग तुरेन इसिंग लेरमदर पुखरी द इसिंग लेरमदि हाना इखोइना पुरी बखर दु काप लोय खरगा मखा गाड़ी द इसिंग लरो कापनी अदुना सिदि कोई अपुनब जॉइंट इफोर्ट में पब्लिक मयाम को पुन्न फाता मिनब गवर्नमेंट पुन्न समिनब दरकार ले अदुना ngasi si specially ai amona sigi gari tarama thoi alo bola pasi launch to bolo in Manipur ki praja miyam da hujiki hairi ba tangai fadana global warming gi kari gi lak pasi da thol ka da ba ba thok ba ba aduga thok ra ba thogdong saki wa bo khara miyam da ai alert wena no ba haije bani jaki matang so dungai yenga ga lebi no please come and join thola ga yobu isa isu mayam ma sola bani dana munga phara bani thamai banda phara bani adagi ba ka nungti gi haise saira ga lei khre ba deep rooted chai kumsani pu free the lucky bani no madu gi tackle to budane ba duna prasa involve to gre khoi ma se comment khata da thadok bi bano na wapam khorse thamaga thank you kenogi ekoi gi fire service ki hujiti na khoi nong singi matam jo hanga abnina na khoi di mun hangai noi except few accident khar natna noi wathara ga leibani na hujiti noi pung kun mari tumma yaroi do mi da ai nudi gi phone tau do ni noi kari dauri na ar wa pham khaise thamjaraga ai fire service ki director DG asugumba new sophisticated vehicles machinery sing porokana any phone in the bathok Manipur to tholko matam na thena na gi matam sana prepare to gi dong tai no koi butha chali thank you
when CO2 cross the interest the yaw si ising liter ising manga ni aduga foam component 500 liters ni aduga mamonda gi ekoi gi firefighter sing na aduga matak tak kap ka do vi tawri basina ekoi gi monitor kawi basic motor pa lamda pa pana aduga next na firefighter tongan do firefighter sing na ekoi gi fire team thoka force thoka na trans ki bating na mai bu kanna ba bona ba which the capture is form expansion si ekoi gi 6% ni and also ekoi was the mari ba trans isu no mate ni no mo da fork and jet ere kapya ba ko trans ba ka ba and ekoi na office isu ekoi gi life saver ni ekoi kai mo tam na mai cha ko tam na mai mam ba gi ko ti ba ekoi thene ko na ma ko na sin mo to an ba ekoi live fitting ma to ta na ekoi na musta lai na ba ekoi mo to ne ko ma na mai si so na ka ye ren ko mo ka ni pa pa ya ba gi system ma ko ni pa cha ba adu to sina to na koi gari sida masana ising se fill up to pa ya ba gi mo da provision yawi inflatable lighting tower yawi aduga portable pump su yawi sina normal fire mada ikul sina wa hariba gari siam ne specialized wa gari ni aduga roina yam multi use wa multi functional wa aduga gari bakal bani adugi tum lagi classification of fire har ga subhana wa fire to ba kan ni fire cham ordinary fire chin na ya ba then cham ba adigi atopa ko gi aircraft fire da chin na ya ba तो फैया कोई नबे हमारे मन के पहुंचने गाड़ी मखल बनी कई अनकद मई चाक गाड़ी नगर मीद अतोप ब्रांच मखल बनी कई मी चंग याद कहोना ब्रांच मखल डिफ्यूजल ब्रांच है रिवॉल्विंग है खाने पीछा मी चंग याद सीलिंग गोडाउन हाजनगर मथन उंग मई मुथप याबी सिस्टम हापे कोई अनौब गाड़ी इफेक्टिवली कोई मतम चाना कोई रेस्पॉन्ड तौरगा एनी फायर टाइप ऑफ फायर कोई थेंगनब ngमनबगी सेम साजबनी हजे अखोगी इम्फाल की वाटर बॉक्स थोसन बिरो
ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯐꯀꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯛ 11 ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅꯕꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯔꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯣꯟ ꯇꯤꯁꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯛ 11ꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯄꯟ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯐꯣꯝ ꯑꯦꯟ CO2 ꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯇꯦꯟꯗꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯕꯥꯎꯖꯔꯅꯤ CO2 इम्फाल की अनीनी थौबाल की अमा मोरे बिष्णुपुर तमेंगलोंग जिरीबाम सेनापति कांगपोकपी उख्रुल चुरचांदपुर हाइबा सिंगसी की पुन्ना गाड़ी तरागा माथोइनी जी रिचुअल से पांथोक बसिम साजरी
अभी कुमार वाला करें अच्छा वो जो तक आ रहा है सिंह खराय आना होगा सिंह हम लाइक करो जगह Kan sendiri. Dia tahu dia tu.
Ana kurang tu mah.
अरे भाई थोड़ा सा ये अभी तो मनी खाते हो आपका कुछ
flag of Tobiraga Asigi launching of foam and CO2 crest tender and water bowser Asigi Chili Launched Tobicre foam and CO2 crest tender and water bowser Punna Taraga Matoi Fire Service Department Government of Manipur Mapan naman na foam and CO2 crest tender, ani man na water bowser ni.
How helpful this mechanism will be in saving the disaster management in Manipur, sir?
So just everyone have seen due to the global warming and climate change, in many places wildfire, drought, etc. is going on. So accordingly, the state government initiated to purchase the newest vehicles along with the newest sophisticated machineries, which can be used when any incidents took place, mainly for the fire service. And these vehicles definitely, here we are having two types of methods which we can use. One is in the foam also we can use, and the water also we can use. So it will definitely have in countering or dealing with the wildfire, forest fire, anything, peacemaker.
Sir, just one more question. How is the preparation level for Shanghai Festival? And do you believe this year's Shanghai Festival will help in boost the economy of the state?
Exactly. This after 2 years gap due to the COVID pandemic, this time we are planning to do at our best level, and we are also going to invite some foreign dignitaries to visit here, and the government has already requested newly elected Honorable President of India to kindly come and inaugurate the Shanghai Festival. And this festival will function in different parts of the state, including Mao, Chukchanpur, and the main venue will be this time at the
CO2 crash tanker, 9 in numbers, and 2 water bouncers. We have done this to meet the helicopter service safety standard, as well as the new challenges that is being brought about because of the development, like the establishment of the oil table at Malong and the watering plant at Simai. CO2 from crash tanker has become essential. So without it, we are not in a position to really fight the 1,000 KL. So 12 KL. So that would help us to overcome the water scarcity, and hopefully in the future we will be in a position to put out a fire with these 2 water bowsers. Otherwise, in the past we always have been having a complaint saying that the fire tender comes and comes without water. But the capacity of the fire tender is that one fire tender can pump up 3,000 liters in a minute to fight the fire and to fight the fire intensity, which public probably have mistaken us in most cases, because we have a lot of components of machineries which to put up the fire. So often we have been alleged that we have come without water. The moment you come, you are without water. So in order to overcome all these allegations, we have increased our water capacity, and hopefully in the future we will serve to the best of our ability and serve the people better. Thank you.